Yan, nandito kami guys sa Twin Lakes Hotel, Infinity Pool, lobby. Yan, magsiswimming kami. Yes, yay! Ayan po, konti pa lang nagsiswimming. Kaya hindi pa hindi pa crowded yung swimming pool. Yan, maumaga pa lang eh. Mga 8 o'clock yan. Tulog pa yung mga guests siguro ng hotel. Nice ang swimming pool nila guys. Infinity pool pa siya. Ayan oh. Yan, yes. Malamig. Let's go guys! Swimming time!